Hi guys, in front of me I have this Lenovo Legion smartphone, and in this video I would like to share how you can set the Opera browser on it as your default browser. So the first way to do it is to open up the Settings app, look for Apps Management, tap on Default tabs, choose the Browser App section and set Opera as your default browser. Just now you can do whatever. As you can see, the browser app has been set to be Opera. So that was the first way. Let me show you the second way real quick. So the second way, you can just set it up in the settings of an Opera browser itself. In order to do that, you gotta open up the browser, tap on this profile icon of yours, then choose the gear icon, which stands for settings, and here scroll down a little bit until you'll stumble upon the default browser section. And in this section, just tap on it, press on set Opera as default browser, next, and here choose Opera, set as default, and we are all done as far as I know. Let me double check. So the default browser is Opera now, since this option has disappeared. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.